Alright, let's get started. So first, open up your patterns and print and tape, or pull it up and set the correct scale for your calibration on your projector. I'm showing you on the projector, but you can make these adjustments on your paper pattern as well. Now take a ruler and find a middle point. I'm using 5 inches, and slide it up a ½ inch above the bottom line, and then switch to the bottoms and line it up flat with that same line, and then have the middle be in the same spot as the top. I like to double check here to make sure that it's lined up once I put my swim fabric on and it looks good. So starting with the bottom, I double layer my fabric. Probably should have done it right sides together, but this still works. And I'm also not being picky about the hearts being the wrong direction right now. So you're gonna cut it all out except for the top of the front piece, so sides and the legs. Then with the top piece, you're gonna taper up to the armpits, so it makes kind of an hourglass shape on the body. Now all that's left to cut out is the back pieces on both fabrics. Now we're going to take the tie back pieces and line them up as shown, and then sew the shoulders. Once that's done, place everything right sides together, and we are going to sew along the arms, the neckline and the ties, and the legs. Now we're going to take the ties and push them through the shoulder straps so that the right sides are in the inside of the swimsuit, all right sides together. And then I forgot this step, but we have to sew the back piece together and leave a small 1 to 1½ inch gap. Now we're going to take the back piece and put it all up through the crotch hole and line it up right sides together with the inside of the swimsuit. Now I'm going to line everything up right sides together with the bottoms and the top. You want to make sure that the seams are as close together as possible. You can baste it before you sew it if you'd like, but for now we're just going to pin it all in place. Repeat with the other side, and then we're going to sew the sides as soon as it's all pinned nicely. Now you're going to reach up through the bottom of the suit and pull it out until you find the little hole that we made in the back piece. And through that hole, you're going to flip the whole swimsuit right sides out. Now we're going to finish off the hole with the ladder stitch. I'll do a more detailed video on this later, and this honestly is kind of optional. A lot of times I don't even do it and it's still totally fine. But if you want to finish off the hole that way, you can do that. And you're all finished.